Who was it? Oh, it's you. Got it. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Basquatch. On today's episode, it is hot as hell. I don't know if that's showing up right there. 97 degrees is the actual temperature the truck is showing. We just left a little Urban Creek spot. We got truck bed full of fish and shit. And we got a cooler full of live sunfish. So let's see if we can go find a spot. Preferably a shady one.
Well, at least we brought our shade.
Yeah, we did bring a shade thing. Anyway, it's kind of a freestyle bank fishing catfish episode, so buckle up. What do other people say? Buckle up. Hang on tight. Stay tuned.
Cliche TV sayings here.
Good news, it's starting to cool down. Yeah. Woo.
Good news, we're in the wrong lane.
Hey, it's too hot to stay in one lane. You hear me? My stuff going to Illinois now? Yeah. Is this like that bridge that's downtown? You know, whenever you're trying to like leave the stadium? You ever been trying to leave the stadium or something and you get stuck on that lane that's like only Illinois? You gotta go to East St. Louis and turn around?
I kind of want to ride the ferry.
Okay.
I have cash.
The thought of it is like...
I got cash. I've never been on a ferry.
I bet the fish never have either.
And Acres Ferry's close, so we can't ever ride that.
Well, riding across the Mississippi River,
dude, like
kind of experience.
We're doing it. We're riding the ferry. We interrupt this program to bring you ferry
I can't
riding.
swim.
Luckily, the fish can. Do we just hook them up?
You think they're gonna save me after what we've done to them?
Abduction.
Okay, well,
we're gonna ride the ferry.
Okay, we're going across the Mississippi River.
We're gonna take the ferry.
A way that we never have before. Via ferry. The ship box is going across the river.
You're gonna have to record out your window.
This is where I wanted us to be, right?
Yeah.
This is take your seatbelt off.
Because it makes you nervous?
Because it's something that you will not help you if,
that's true.
If we get in a crash. Oh my god, we're moving. Oh my god, this is so crazy. I don't know if I like it yet.
Dude, the boat is turning.
Nah.
Oh my god.
Transformer. It's the Decepticons.
Dude, he turned around so he could drive.
I don't know how to go live. Because we're never live. Dude, you can feel us moving. Like, we're moving. Alright, guys, the shit box is fording the Mississippi River. We are crossing the Mississippi River on the Grafton Hole. Why? Because we look worried one side of it. They sell like drinks and snacks on this?
No, but they got life preservers.
Do they have enough?
They got 40 of them.
This is wild. So this is, at least in my possession, this is the first time the ship box has been across a ferry.
Especially a Mississippi ferry.
Right, this is how dang old Tom Sawyer and Huck Finn felt.
Like that guy in here.
This is cool, man. This is $9 well spent.
Right.
And like, we can just drive back.
Right. Coming in hot.
Whoa, actually, I didn't realize that we were that in line. Well, that makes sense that they were lining up at an angle to get the current. We could pushing the ass end out.
Dude.
How wild.
bass call.
That's cool.
That was sick.
Have a good one, man.
You. That was cool. Welcome to Grafton. That was neat.
That was cool.
That was so fun.
That's free. That's $9 well spent.
I enjoyed that a lot. Look at all these people.
Yeah, they all want to get to Missouri. I don't blame them. She's rolling coal, the old Eagle too.
Dude, look how far we went.
Yeah, it's like a arm. So that's. See, the only one I've ever been on was Aquired area, Durham River, and it's a cable.
Yeah, it just goes back and forth.
And they've got like a 9.9 outboard motor on the side. Huh. I see Waste Management has new containers. Alright guys, we have found a little spot of riverbank to claim for ourselves. We're gonna get all of our stuff ready here and we're gonna hike down, I don't know, less than 100 yards or so. It's a nice sandy spot that we cleaned off already. I don't know, let's cross our fingers guys. We need a good evening of catfishing. You guys need it. Tell you what, I better grab a lunchbox and save the heavy stuff for Alex. Oh, I just sunk like up to my freaking ankle. Feels easy, everybody do it. If it's easy, I'd do it more. Right.
You got a bird.
You never know what could happen on a full moon night. This is August, whatever it is, the 10th or something like that. That is the full moon. That is the sturgeon full moon tonight. Next month, September's full moon is the harvest moon, which is the full moon that I caught the catfish that changed our lives last year. So let's start hoping for some freaky shit. God! I guess there's just a bunch of carp around here. That scared the ever living shit out of me. You? No?
No.
Well, I felt a snag and then all of a sudden it just exploded each direction and I was just waiting for one to come like a projectile.
I heard it.
Toward me.
It didn't scare me.
Damn water patrol's out there jamming. I'm not copyright music. Okay. Charcoal and grill. It appears them guys are potentially leaving. So once we get some dogs cooked up, we gotta make a decision. Yeah, guys, it's tough to pack everything up and just move it over there when your morale isn't doing too low, or when your morale isn't too high. Shut up. Words and stuff, and you get the freaking point. They're gone. We might go there if yes, hot dogs. Hey, Ma, Cody's on the internet babbling again. That one, yep.
Is that my nail rod? Oh! Shit!
You can have it. That was a big fish.
Dude.
Like big fish. I thought my mission was saving the rod at that point. For real. I really hope that showed up on camera. That might be the only clip we can use from... Hey guys, it's Cody and Buddy here to remind you that the easiest way that you can support your favorite creators is to use their affiliate links and discount codes. So if you want to add some awesome tackle to your catfishing arsenal, check out Whisker Seeker Tackle and use our discount code BassSquatch15 at checkout. And if you want to add some awesome apparel to your closet, check out Finn's Outdoors for all of your outdoor lifestyle apparel and use our code STAYWILD10 at checkout for 10% off. Thanks guys. Back to the video. Gonna be looking like Paul Revere coming through here. Bass squats are coming! The bass squats are coming! Tonight's gonna be the Ghost of Skunks Pass, man, because we ain't doing that shit again. Dude, this is gonna happen. Let's get a flathead. Spot number 2. Somebody was here earlier, so we had to, of course, wait. We didn't want to crowd them. It's not a spot that you really can just like squeeze in. All right, Alex's first flathead right there. Something's got to happen here. I just know it. Okay. Anybody's wondering what leader line we use? Whisker Seeker Tackle, 60-pound mono leader line. Got a nice live bait size green sunfish. About 4 inches long or so. On an 8/0 Whisker Seeker triple thread hook. Thank you. Lightsaber. Inflatable LED light bar. He's lucky we're not looking for frog legs. Oh, there he is. Very cool, bud. Going about tonight. Don't get stepped on, please. So I can't see you. I think we got it, guys. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. I got fish. I got fish. I caught a catfish.
Very nice.
It's a catfish. Little channel, I believe. I told that worm he was destined for greatness. Skunk busting worm. You are about to make the whole night better. I don't want to scare you because that sounds like a lot of responsibility. And that's why I'm giving you a teammate. Nice little blue. It looked like a channel in the dark, but see, yeah, long anal fin goes all the way to the tail fin, pretty much. Thanks, buddy. Oh, shit. Small hydrocharged aerators have been plugging away, keeping our fish alive. Despite horrible water conditions. I'm sorry, fish. Thank you for your sacrifice, Mr. Sunfish. Ooh. Bro, that's deep. I almost backlashed on that little one, and I just kind of pitched it. Kind of tough to do with a 9.5 foot rod. Like 8-ounce sinker, you know what I mean? Is that beaver? Sure is. What up, beav? Yeah, you better go the other way. Look out for my line, fool. Bro. You did that on purpose. You've got all this river to swim around, but no, you do a circle around my line, and then you turn, look me in the eye, and then just run right into it and swing your flat ass tail into it. It's 3 o'clock. Do you know where your flatheads are? When we were here with our buddy Julian, Midwest Best Fishing, he caught 2 in a row within like 5 minutes right there. Boy, it was about this time too. But it was like a severe thunderstorm. Like literally moving in. Oh man, y'all, we got a dangerous thunderstorm alert now. So, that could have done it. Could have not, could have been luck. But I'd rather be lucky than good. Woo! Guys, I don't even know if this is gonna make it to a video. Man, I just picked up a stick so I didn't trip over it. Just a little stick. Not even 10 feet from the fire pit. The fire pit that they used to stack their trash next to. In the dark, I just picked a stick up so I didn't step over it. And I grabbed it and I went to put it in the fire and I was like, ew, that feels gross. I shine my light on it and it looks like shit. But I believe it to actually just be catfish stink bait. Luckily it's half dry. You know what I mean? But I mean, if that is shit, like you got, I kind of have questions, like if you're digging it out of your ass with a stick, but I kind of don't want answers. Puts the lotion on its skin so it can catch the fish again. 4 o'clock. We did the other ones at 3. Oh shit. Who was it? Oh, it's you. Got it. Maybe? Oh yeah. I got one, babe. Babe. Alex. What we got? It's not that small. Babe. It's a flathead. It's a nice one. I don't want to lose it. Cut my damn hand on that braid. Yeah! Woo! Alex! Baby! Alex! Alex! Flathead! Flathead! Whew! Look at him! Ain't he pretty? Will you get a few pictures of me? Please. Well, I hope it shows up on camera, guys. Look at this beautiful little flathead, man. God, they are some of the prettiest fish. Look at this digital camo. I believe this is species 39 of the year for me on hook and line. Don't ask me how it took so long for me to get a flathead this year, but better late than never. Look at that beautiful digital camo pattern. He took a live green sunfish. Heck yeah. Woohoo! 5 pounds, 2 ounces. I was only 2 pounds off. 7. It took all night long, but that's okay. It was worth it when you're talking a flathead catfish, man. My first of the year. 5 pounds, 2 ounces. See you, bud. Woo! Stay wild, little man. We got a flathead! That's the target species. He was about 45 pounds shy. But I love room for improvement. What time is it? Oh, don't mind if I do. Guys, I can't begin to explain to you what that little 5 pound flathead means to me. So, I'm not even gonna try. If you know, you know. Those who get it, will get it. To be able to be excited and happy about one stupid little fish, man, what a life this is. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I love you guys. See if Alex wants to get up and, man, it's getting hot. We're probably going to have to reel up and tuck our tails. Good morning. Well, that is going to do it for this one. We did get the one flathead. I guarantee you that there were more around. They were probably just timid to bite. I don't know. And other excuses that I carry around in this pocket right here.
Is that the one with the holes in it?
Yes. I've got so many excuses, they're overflowing. Top and bottom. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, drop a comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget, head on over to Whisker Seeker Tackle and use our discount code BassSquatch15 for 15% off your entire order of awesome catfish and tackle, and 10% off some sweet outdoor apparel from Finn's Outdoors using our code STAYWILD10. I already said I hope you enjoyed the video, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Bye, stay wild.
Stay wild. You like that? That's what you're here for, isn't it? Subscribe.